Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today I'm just showing you an exciting accessory for your classic 350, and that's the seat spring kit. So we can see the pillion seat has been removed off this classic. This customer brought the bike in with both seats on it, and they wanted us to remove the pillion seat, which already yields a very classic and nice look, and then also install Royal Enfield's seat springs. So this is as the bike looks without them, and in just a couple of minutes we'll get to see them once they're installed. But I do have the kit laid out on the technician's workbench. So it comes with some nice instructions with printed pictures, and these are all the parts that are laid out, all very high quality stainless steel hardware. So now I'll check in with you after the accessories are installed. And welcome to the final segment of this video. Just a couple seconds ago, you saw the bike did not have these lovely looking seat springs, and now it does. And especially with that pillion seat gone, I think it looks great. Really adds to that vintage look. And just showing you it from different angles. You could easily do a DIY on this, do it yourself. But of course we can do it for you at AlphaCars as well if you're local. But the technician said it was not that tricky, pretty straightforward, but you do have to remove the rear fender to gain access to some of the bolts, just to mention that. But this has been Ian just showing you a quick and cool accessory for your Royal Enfield Classic 350. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe so then you don't miss the latest motoring content.